Welcome to another video. Farmhouse decor, with its charming blend of rustic simplicity and timeless elegance, has come a popular interior design trends, capturing the heart of the homeowners seeking a warm and inviting atmosphere. This style draws inspiration from the traditional farmhouse of yesteryears, seamlessly combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. At the heart of the farmhouse decor lies the use of natural materials. Wood, with its warmth and authenticity, is a cornerstone. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed barnwood, and hardwood floors contribute to the rustic charm. These materials often showcase imperfections, embracing the beauty of natural aging and weathering. Neutral color palettes dominate farmhouse interiors, creating a serene and calming environment. Whiteness, beiges, and muted tones serve as a backdrop, allowing other elements to shine. This simplicity extends to furniture with comfortable and well worn pieces, often chosen over sleek, modern alternatives. Distressed finishes add character to farmhouse decor, furniture, and as an bearing sign of wear and tear evoke a sense of history lived in comfort. Distressed paint, chipped surfaces, and vintage inspired accessories contribute to the overall aesthetics. Farmhouse decor also celebrates the simplicity in design. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces characterize this style, fostering an open and airy ambience. Furniture is often functional and straightforward, emphasizing practically without sacrificing beauty. Classic farmhouse pieces like Windsor chairs and farmhouse tables bring a sense of tradition to the farmhouse decor. Achieve an aesthetic farmhouse look. Homeowners often incorporate elements remnants of rural life when doors, both functional and decorative, and a touch of nostalgia. Mason jars, with their humble origin, find new life as bases and storage containers. Woven textiles such as coiled blankets and burlap provide texture and warmth. The kitchen is a focal point in farmhouse decor. Apron, front sinks, open shelves, and vintage inspired appliances contribute to the homely atmosphere. Copper and wrought iron hardware adds a touch of sophistication while maintaining the overall simplicity of the design. Farmhouse decor is a captivating style that pays homage to the past while creating a timeless and welcoming space by embracing natural materials, neutral colors, distressed finishes, and rural inspired elements. This design trend has proven its enduring appeal whether in a countryside retreat or an urban apartments. Farmhouse decor transforms living space into the heaven of the comfort and charm. Thanks for watching.